Hey, what is up guys, my name is Eric and welcome to a real quick Apex Legends tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing guys how to ensure that any settings you've changed within a game get carried over to the next game session. So whenever you close the game and reopen it either the same day or next day, sometimes the game decides to reset your settings like your video settings or whatnot, which can be quite annoying. So I've got a fix for you on how to prevent that from happening again. All you have to do is navigate your way to this specific directory. It might be a bit different for you depending on where the game was installed, what your drives are named, etc. But for me, it's on the C drive, users, my name, and then saved games. You can drop down here quite quickly by just pressing S. Open up saved games, go to respawn, Apex, local, and you should see a txt file called videoconfig, or it might say videoconfig.exe. What you have to do now is right click it, press on properties, and uncheck read only. It most likely will say read only with a check mark next to it. Uncheck it, apply an OK, and restart your game. And from now on, any sort of settings you make within the game should carry over to the next gaming session and shouldn't be overwritten by default settings or whatever the settings were before. But yeah, that's it for today's tutorial. Hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please click the like button down below as it helps me out a lot. If you have any questions or suggestions for the future videos or whatever, then leave those in the comment section down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.